We get now to the West Indies team, specifically the current West Indies team in New Zealand. I don't like this team. I don't have nothing personal against the players. But as a Jamaican and as a West Indian, I do not like this West Indies team. Call it what you may. But I don't feel like this West Indies team is representing me. By what justification are 7 Barbadians in this West Indies Test 11? 7 Bajans. And remember now, skipper Jason Holder is also a Bajan, is out suspended. How is that fair, logical, or credible? It's not like Barbados is an overwhelming and dominant force in regional 4-day cricket. So how come 8 of the 15-man squad in New Zealand are Bajans? And of that 8, 7 of them in the starting 11 and the next one suspended. So it's like selection policy is to pick all the Bajans first and then you share up the other places for the other territories. And don't tell me it's irrelevant that Courtney Brown is the chief selector and he's also from Barbados. So it's like from your make Barbados team, you make the West Indies team. What can go, sir? There is 1 Jamaican in Jermaine Blackwood in the squad, and overall, Guyana, who are the 3-time defending champions of regional 4-day cricket. They have 2 selectees in the squad and 1 in the 11. There are 2 small islanders and 1 Trinidadian alongside the 7 Barbadians in the 11. Unukuda ball blood. I don't like this West Indies team. I don't feel connected to this West Indies team. It's a lucky thing. From them to rubbish in a test cricket, me not really business with them. so me not really vexed or angry or anything like that. Me just say, how come?